Welcome to another exciting Photoshop tutorial. Today we are talking about 3 new features of Photoshop that are recently added by Photoshop. So let's begin the tutorial. First one is very easy but very useful. First I'm going to click on text icon, then write down some text like mood. Make this one capital. Mood is enter like God, but it's change. Okay, so this one is our text and I'm going to, and the new feature is just click on this icon and you can see the magic. The text is automatically changed and it's provide amazing look. So this is really a game-changing feature added by Adobe Photoshop. So next I'm going to add gradient color in background. Choose any one of them, like I'm going to choose this one. Press OK. Click on text icon and watch this. It's changed automatically. You can see that. So this one is really very useful features that you can provide amazing text style by using this option. And I'm going with another one, or we can say that the second one is also very useful. So this one is the group of our picture and I'm going to select any one of them, and I can adjust any one of them, dress, face, anything. Sorry my friend, I'm going to select this one, object selection, and it's start working. It's trying to find the objects in my image. It's take little bit time. So you can see that this one is automatically selected. Whatever you can select dress, you can select face. Okay, just to zoom this one and watch this. You can select specifically this guy, or another one you can select any one of them. Watch this. This one is the great feature. So this one is our car image. I'm going to select this one and place this one in this image. This one is really beautiful image. So I'm going to place this image, car image, just place in perfect position. Okay, done. Then click remove background. So you can see that the background is completely removed. Is really amazing. And then I'm going to click on harmonize. It's give you amazing result. It plays perfectly. It's doing amazing job. So just click on harmonize and it's take little bit time, so just wait. So my friend, you can get the result. Adobe provide 3 amazing results. You can choose any one of them and all are really perfect. So you can choose any one of them. I think this one is very good. You can see the composition, you can see the shadow, light, everything is really perfect. If you doing this one with manual way, it's take really so much time, but this one is really amazing. So my friend, I hope you like this tutorial. If you like this tutorial, please subscribe my channel. Okay, see you soon with new tutorial. Goodbye.